The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is a modern take on an iconic classic, bringing a mix of nostalgia and innovation. This latest version continues to capture the essence of the original while integrating contemporary technology, comfort, and performance. The Beetle has always been known for its distinctive design, and the 2025 model retains its signature rounded shape with a few refinements. The exterior features sleek LED headlights, a slightly more aerodynamic body, and stylish alloy wheels. Volkswagen has enhanced the car's look while ensuring it remains instantly recognizable. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle comes with a range of powertrain options. The base model includes a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience. For those looking for a bit more power, a 2.0-liter turbocharged variant is available, offering more responsiveness and acceleration. Volkswagen has also introduced a hybrid version, catering to the growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles. The hybrid model promises improved fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The transmission options include a standard 6-speed manual for driving enthusiasts and an 8-speed automatic for those who prefer convenience. Inside, the 2025 Beetle boasts a premium and tech-focused cabin. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information for the driver. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and comfortable seating enhance the overall driving experience. Volkswagen has prioritized both style and functionality, making the Beetle's interior a pleasant place to be. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing ample support for long journeys. Rear passengers also get decent legroom, making the car practical for everyday use. In terms of safety, Volkswagen has equipped the Beetle with advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking enhance overall safety. The car's sturdy build and modern safety technologies contribute to a reassuring driving experience. Parking sensors and a rear-view camera make maneuvering the Beetle in tight spaces easier. Volkswagen's commitment to safety ensures that both drivers and passengers feel secure on the road. The driving experience of the 2025 Beetle is a balance of fun and practicality. The steering is precise, making the car easy to handle in city traffic and on highways. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections well, ensuring a smooth ride. The turbocharged engines provide a good mix of power and efficiency, making the Beetle suitable for daily commutes and longer trips. The hybrid variant offers a quiet and refined drive, making it an attractive choice for environmentally conscious buyers. The overall driving dynamics make the Beetle enjoyable for both new and experienced drivers. Technology plays a significant role in the 2025 Beetle. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring a user-friendly interface. Voice commands allow easy access to navigation, music, and calls. The premium audio system delivers impressive sound quality, enhancing the driving experience. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure that devices remain powered throughout the journey. Volkswagen has integrated smart connectivity features, allowing remote access to vehicle functions through a smartphone app. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the new Beetle. The base engine offers competitive mileage, making it a cost-effective option for daily driving. The hybrid version takes efficiency to the next level, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Volkswagen has designed the Beetle to be both fun and economical, making it appealing to a wide range of buyers. The car's lightweight construction and aerodynamic design contribute to its overall efficiency. Volkswagen offers the 2025 Beetle in multiple trim levels, each catering to different preferences and budgets. The base model provides essential features without compromising on quality. The mid-level trims add more technology and comfort enhancements, while the top-tier variant includes premium materials and advanced driver assistance systems. Special edition models may also be available, offering unique styling elements and exclusive features. Volkswagen ensures that there is a Beetle for every type of driver. Customization options allow buyers to personalize their Beetle according to their tastes. A variety of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes provide a range of choices. Volkswagen's attention to detail ensures that each Beetle can reflect the personality of its owner. The availability of optional packages lets buyers add specific features that enhance convenience and luxury. For those considering the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, it offers a combination of classic charm and modern innovation. Whether looking for a stylish city car, a fun weekend cruiser, or an efficient hybrid, the Beetle has something to offer. Its reliable performance, advanced technology, and comfortable interior make it a strong contender in the compact car segment. Volkswagen has successfully modernized a beloved icon while staying true to its roots. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more car insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you the latest reviews, specs, and features of the most exciting cars on the market. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews, test drives, and comparisons. Your support helps us bring you the best content, so hit that subscribe button and join our community.